In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page for Google Ads. Firstly, we're going to head over to Google Ads by visiting ads.google.com. This is the home for managing all your online advertising, a powerhouse for getting more eyes on your business. If you're not already logged in, just click on sign in at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure you use your Google account credentials associated with your ads. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage, your central hub for managing all aspects of your campaigns. From here, we'll begin creating a landing page to capture leads effectively. Next, navigate to the campaigns section where you can view and manage your current campaigns or create new ones. Each campaign here can have its tailored set of ads, all aimed at specific targets and goals. Once you're in the campaign section, find the Assets tab. Assets are versatile tools that can be reused across different campaigns, saving you time and increasing efficiency by ensuring consistency. From here, click on Create Asset, and a new set of tools will open up to you, each designed to help you reach your audience more effectively. Select Lead Form from the options available. Lead forms are great for building your contact list as they make it easy for potential customers to submit their details. They integrate seamlessly with your ads, prompting users to engage by filling out a form directly from the ad. After selecting the lead form option, you'll see an option to add lead form. By clicking here, you're configuring the details of the form itself. You can customize fields such as name, email, phone number, or any specific information you need to capture. Remember, keeping the form concise and straightforward encourages more people to fill it out. Consider the information truly critical to your business, as longer forms might discourage potential leads from finishing the submission. Once you've set up your form, it's important to review it and make sure everything is accurate and functional. Check the preview to ensure all fields are clear and concise, and that your call to action is compelling. A good call to action motivates users to take the next step, whether that's signing up, contacting you, or downloading your app. Remember, your landing page and lead form should be mobile friendly, as a significant portion of traffic could come from mobile devices. You've now created a landing page using Google Ads, designed to engage and convert potential customers into leads. By following these steps, you're equipped to effectively capture interest and drive more successful outcomes from your Google Ads campaigns. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your digital marketing efforts.